So today our topic is about the renewable energy source. So firstly we define the renewable energy. Basically it is come from the natural source which do not run out and use again and again. So renewable energy is obtained from naturals such as the light, wind, water, heat of earth and plants. So these sources are continuously replenished and are environmental friendly. These renewable energy technologies help in producing the green energy without causing the pollution. So there are different types of the renewable energy. So this renewable energy used basically to generate the electricity and heat. These types include the solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydropowers, and the biomass energy. So firstly we define the solar energy. Basically solar energy is the energy which we obtain from the earth. So solar energy basically absorb the sunlight and then convert into the electricity by using some of the photovoltaic cells. So this solar energy is widely used for electricity, heating, water and lighting homes. There are different advantages and disadvantages of the solar energy. So the benefit and the advantages of the solar energy is that it clean and pollution free. It also reduce the electricity bills. The disadvantage of solar energy is that they work only in sunlight and a high initial cost is required for the payment for required for the establishment of the solar energy. Wind energy basically is the energy obtained from the moving air. So wind turbines basically rotate when air blow. So this rotations turn a generator that produce the electricity. It is commonly used in the wind farms. So the advantages of the wind energy is that it is basically the clean energy and no fuel cost is required. While the disadvantage is that it depends on wind speed and can produce noise when the process have been done. The third renewable energy is the hydropowers. So hydropowers is basically the energy generated from flowing or falling of the water. So basically this water have been stored in the dams, flow through turbines which rotate and produce the electricity. It is one of the oldest renewable energy technology. So the advantage of the hydropower is that it basically a reliable energy source and produce the large amount of the energy. The disadvantage is that it can affect the aquatic lifespan of the ocean or the water. The geothermal energy is another source of the renewable energy. It is basically the energy obtained from the heat inside the earth. Basically, the hot water and steam from the underground used to rotate the turbines and generate the electricity. It is basically used in area with volcanic activities. So the advantage of the geothermal energy is that it continue energy supply and low the pollutions, while the disadvantage is that it limit the location and having the high installation cost may be required. Biomass energy is another source of the renewable energy source. Basically, it is the energy produced from organic materials like the plant and the animal wastes. So the biomass is burned and converted into the biofuels to produce the heat and the electricity. It also helps in the waste management. So the advantage of the biomass energy is that it used wastewater materials and the renewable sources, while the disadvantage is that it produced the smoke and required the large land areas. So there are different benefits of the renewable energy source. For example, the renewable energy source having the environmental friendly effects, they can reduce the greenhouse gases, save the natural resources and having the sustainable energy source. So this topic is all about the renewable energy sources and their further types. Thank you so much.